You used to keep a rain gauge out there. I kept forgetting to look at it.
Shoot, I haven't even
Shoot, ready?
started this year.
Seven. Stand by.
Well, I pay for it. Jim doesn't know.
One more. To the right, left.
Hiding from you.
One behind the barrel.
Left.
One out. Keep it on. There you go.
Saw pieces.
Don't be such a girl.
Hey.
Shoot, ready? Stand by.
Yeah, I saw it wiggle.
Yeah, okay. Stand by. Man, we're not even recording this already.
I am. I got that.
All right.
We're gonna get a whipping later on. You know
Right.
that.
Appendix carrier, you're supposed to have a class first, ain't you?
Yeah. What's that, what?
You're supposed to have a class before you can shoot appendix carrier. Can you move?